Good morning, Terrell ISD. We hope you are joining in online. I'm going to be checking my computer so that we can welcome you all here to our very first Facebook Live demonstration in our fun. Oh, here we are. It's like it's up. Okay. Okay. Oh, but I got to turn my volume off. Good morning, Terrell ISD. We hope you. Okay, good. So we can just see if anyone's joining us. Hope that you make a comment if you're here. This is going to be fun. We're going to have some good stuff going on. Okay, we have like 7 viewers. I don't know how to do this really well, y'all, yet. I'm learning. So, okay, we've got some people coming in. We're super excited that you're here. Okay. All right, say something so Terrell ISD knows you're here. We have 14 viewers coming to join us, okay? So if you'll make a comment, we can say hi, and we are gonna be making a glitter jar, and I'm super excited about this. I know some parents are gonna be like, Dr. Warnock, really? Glitter? But, you know, put a mat down or some newspaper or something, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun, and it's also a great strategy to help us calm our nerves. So that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, let's see. Oh, we got more people joining us. Let us know you're here. Let us know you're here. Okay, should we go ahead and get started? Yeah? Okay, so the supplies that you're going to need to make your very own glitter jar, and this is going to help you settle your glitter, is glitter, any color glitter that you want. You can be creative. You need a little dish soap. Oh, look, we have some people. Hey, hi, Blanca Torres. Good morning. Oh, and Pebbles Daniels Buchanan. Hello, welcome. We're so glad y'all are here with us. So, okay. And then you just need some water. So I got this water bottle for $1 at Walmart, or you can use just a plain old plastic water bottle that you want to empty out and use it. So, good. Got lots of people coming on. So all we're going to do first is just fill up our water bottle, or if you're using like this bottle, you just are going to want to take the wrapper off. So I have scissors, I could use that. So here we go. So we're going to take the wrapper off if we're using this water bottle, or we can just fill up our other water bottle. So your choice, really easy to do. Good morning, Nancy Broyles. Hi, Wendy Spears. We're so glad y'all are here with us. We're doing a fun project. Okay, so we've got our water. So now this is where we really need your help. I have all these colors of glitter. So we want to know, like, what colors do we want to put in our glitter jar? I'm watching over here to see what you guys say. All right. I'm gonna start with this little iridescent color while I wait for someone. Oh, a green, I got a green. Okay, great, we'll add green to it. Good morning, Heather. Okay, so we've got a green. Ooh, red, white, and blue. Ooh, a turquoise, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So we'll add I'm adding a green here. See, look, it's not messy, it's just fun. Okay, I got a blue, a turquoise, ooh, a pink. Addie says pink, so pink we definitely need to do. So I'm adding in the turquoise, okay? And then a pink for Addie. Does Addie want the light pink or the hot pink? Like, which one does she want here? I don't know. Oh, Mason says green. Okay, we got in the green for Mason. Ooh, the holographic pink. Okay, cool, we'll do both of those. Okay, so we're adding in some pink here, and I'll put in the holographic pink. And Mason, we got your green in, okay? Let's see. Okay, let's do one more. Good morning from the Grams. Good morning to you guys. Ooh, a light pink. Okay, so we'll add in the light pink too. So, all right, let's do this. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little squirt of dish soap. So we've gotten a lot of colors in. Oh, one more. Somebody said purple. We've got to add the purple because it's gonna be really cool. Okay. And then I'm going to talk to you about the science behind it, okay? Like how this really helps us. It's not just a fun project, but also it's really helpful. Then we're going to do a little squirt of dish soap in there, just a squirt. That's all you need. And then we're going to put the cap on. If you're using a cap like this, if you want, you can put some like Elmer's glue in the cap and then screw it on so it'll stay shut. But I'm not doing that here. But so we see here, and we're going to shake it. We're gonna shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, so now here's what we know, that while our brains are, when we're upset, when we're worried, when we're anxious, that our brains can feel like this, all swirly, whirly, twirly. Our emotions can feel that way too, like really, really anxious. So what we're gonna do when we feel that way, we're gonna use our glitter jar to help settle our glitter. So we're gonna shake it up. And parents, like the physical act of shaking it helps release some of our anxiety, some of our tensions. And then we're gonna sit it down and we're gonna breathe really deeply as we watch that glitter settle. So we're gonna come join me breathing as we watch that glitter settle. Taking those big breaths, that 1, 2, 3, 4 in, 1, 2, 3, 4 out, you will feel your heart rate calming down. And let's face it, like this is a stressful time. We know people are worried about their jobs and work and food, and there's a lot of stress and things going on. We feel anxious about the situation. So having this, it's a fun project to do, but then also that release to be able to shake it up and then breathe as we watch the glitter settling. So that's what is our little project, our little teach. Good, we love it. Yeah, it's just water in a bottle. You missed the first part. So we could make another one in this. You're just gonna put water in your bottle, choose your glitter, then a squirt of soap, and then you can shake it up and take deep breaths as we watch it settle. So that is how we settle our glitter, and we can all use a little glitter settling right now. So tune back in at 10 o'clock. We'll have another little activity for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, Tigers.